Having to hunt down replacement hardware and the right tool for each job can be daunting, expensive, and time-consuming. However, MevoTech's TTX Labor Saver aids make it as easy as possible. For example, where required, TTX ball joints include a press-in adapter. These work with all common kits for a proper press-in. Their boot staller tool makes fitting boots quick and easy in 3 steps and protects the new boot from being damaged. Other unique tools include the custom press-in adapter for the 2014 and up Jeep Cherokee ball joint. This takes the frustration out of what can be a challenging job. For the Ram 4500 and 5500, TTX ball joints include a 60mm socket for the upper and an adapter for the lower, making another potentially difficult job a snap. The TTX sway bar links include a slim wrench in the box to counterhold your sway bar link from spinning when tightening it down. Their innovative quick loader has all the hardware pre-loaded, meaning you don't have to fight with the other side of the bolt. And finally, whether it's damaged hardware or having to replace one-time use bolts, the all-new MevoTech coated hardware is included, saving time and money. These are just some of the ways MevoTech TTX makes even the toughest install a breeze. This tech tip is brought to you by MevoTech, engineered for technicians.